Hello guys, welcome to Information 2 Software's channel. I'm Hao-Wen, the technical support engineer here. Today I'm really glad to introduce our quite important feature, the multi-tenant management for our unified management platform i2UP. The multi-tenant management feature is used to create the multiple different account, the tenants, and assign the different role for it. Then can allow the administrator to also assign a different resource to each account, such as assign the only one storage resource to the account one, and assign the only the backup role for the account two. So today I would like to demonstrate how to create the new account and assign the permission for it. Okay, so there's only one account can create the different account. We call it the sysadmin. Once you just log into the sysadmin, you can find the user here. There are already the several default accounts like admin, auditor, operator, the system, and the tenant admin, etc. Generally, this status should be the inactive. You can enable one by activate it, set a password, and confirm that. Also, you can create another account, such as now I create the backup admin. Assign the role as the operator. Activate the status and set the password. For the first time you log into the account, you should reset the password for it. And now let's confirm it. Log out, then log in with the backup admin. Okay, just quick reset the password. Then, as you can see, you can get the entire empty page here, no matter the node or the storage unit, they're empty. So, as a new administrator, only responsible for the backup role, you can add the different resource after you get the permission from the major administrator. Or you can ask the administrator admin account here to assign the different resource for you. Okay, after we log in by the admin account, let's go to the resource, the authorization sections. You can see I already created the several account here, the backup admin, the test, and the operator here. Now, let's just assign the resource only relevant with backup. It should include the backup node, the backup rows, and the storage unit. All right, let's go to resource, backup resource, the node management. Here, as you can see, there's quite a lot node here, and we only assign the silver one. We already did the backup, such as backup for MySQL database, and confirm that. Then for the virtualization, we also did the agentless solution, the backup for the different platform. Let's add them one by one, which includes the VMware, SAM4, and H3CCS. Okay, and here is a backup rule. We can assign all the backup rule here to the backup admin. And also give the storage unit to it. Then let's go back to the backup admin account. Now, as you can see, you already got the storage pool assigned by the administrator, also the storage unit. Then, when you want to create the new backup role, there's only one node you can select, and also there's only one storage unit you can store your backup set. So there's very brief introduction for the multi-tenant management feature here. And for the rest of time, I would like to introduce the major differences between the different role, like the operator, like the administrator. So as you can see, we just create the backup admin here, and also assign a role operator. The operator means this account has the permission to operate each role, to operate each task, also to create the new backup role or any other role for it. But it, any resource need to be assigned by the administrator. Operator cannot assign any resource to another operator. And also the major administrator, it can manage all the tasks or the resource assignment. Also, it's a new resource, also can delete the previous resource, etc. For the auditor, it can monitor the audit generated by the administrator or the system admin, also the system account. It will record each operations did by this different account and monitored only by the auditor. For the tenant admin, that means, okay, the only functionality of the tenant admin is to manage the tenant, such as the tenant you created, like the test here, or the backup admin, and the operator. It can also create the new tenant or delete the old tenant you don't want to use anymore. Okay, so it's a very brief introduction for the multi-tenant management feature here, and there's a little notification and a tip for you. No matter you are the tenant admin or the administrator want to assign the different resource, please just ensure you assign the complete resource and the feature to the corresponding tenant, such as the tenant I created only only for managing the backup role. So we can only assign the backup for it because once we want to create a new backup role, we need to manage the storage unit, manage the node, manage maybe if you want to do the backup for the database or the virtualization platform, you need to also assign the corresponding um, database instance here or the virtualization platform. So please ensure you already assign the um, completely resource to the specific role and the tenant. All right, it's all the count regarding the multi-tenant management feature. Have a nice day and see you next time. Goodbye.